Morning, everybody. It's DJ NV Angela Yee, Charlamagne the Guy. We are the Breakfast Club, and we have a health and wellness expert in the building. Goes by the name of AD Dolphin.
What's up, my brother?
Hey, I'm good.
People are all on their health kicks nowadays.
Yes.
Right.
So they love talking to people like you. I saw somebody on Twitter just tweet me and said they're doing your detox right now and they don't know what's coming out their body. I'm dead serious. Somebody just tweeted me and said that to me.
Is that a good thing or bad thing?
Hey, look, it's a great thing, actually. Okay. You got to remember, you can hold up to 25 pounds of undigested food within your system. So it's very, very important to help get that out.
Right. I did a detox 2 weeks ago. It was about 2 weeks ago, right? Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. It was a 7-day detox. And it was 13 pounds in 6 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm on another one with my wife. My wife wanted to do it. Now,
okay.
So I told her I would help her along. She's not doing too well.
Okay.
she's not doing
well. Let's be clear, it is a detox.
Yeah.
So
yeah. What kind of diet did you have with it? That's what I really want to know.
Well, the diet, this one that she's doing is a 30-day detox.
Okay.
Only water fruits and water-based fruits.
Okay.
And water. And she's
water.
doing that for 30 days.
A lot of water.
And she's taking supplements.
So it's
as
fruits
well.
and vegetables, supplements,
Herbal
the whole
supplements.
nine?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Positive. I'm with that.
That's hard, though, because you're talking to a lady, I'm talking about my wife, who she's a eater, but she doesn't gain any weight. Like, she can eat like
beautiful.
A pig and does not gain weight.
She can have babies and not gain weight, by the way.
So for her, not eating chicken, steak,
right.
things like that she usually eats is killing her.
But you know what? Our body needs a break.
I tell her that. And
we need a
break. Mine is only day 2.
And that's interesting because I did the 14-day detox.
I know.
Before MV did
I do
his.
my research too.
Yeah, I did this 14-day detox, and a lot of people were like, detoxes are dangerous. Why would you do that? It's not a good idea to not eat, but it is because your body needs a break.
Listen, they don't know what they're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot of people running around here that really just don't know what they're talking about. Cleansing is healthy for your body. You know, they talk about detoxing in the Bible. They talk about it everywhere.
Into the mic so they can hear you.
Okay. They talk about detoxing in the Bible. Cleaning out your system is completely natural. Your body needs to time out. And just moving away, we got to remember all the processed food that we're eating.
Mm-hmm.
Think about the things that's in the air as far as pollution. Think about the things that we put on our skin as far as lotion, perfume. All these things contaminate our body, and we need to learn how to get rid of it.